back to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to show you an easy way of how you can prepare mayonnaise or mayo at home. Super simple and gets ready also pretty quickly. So watch the video till the end because I will be giving you a few tips at the end. So let's get started with today's lovely recipe. So friends, let's see today's recipe of making mayonnaise at home. So now in a bowl, I've taken 2 egg yolks. To that, I'm going to add salt to taste. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mustard. You can use any mustard, Dijon, or I'm using English mustard in this case. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm making it in a bowl using my electric mixer, but you can also put this into a fruit processor and make it that way. Watch the video till the end because I'm giving you a few tips. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And I'm just going to beat this up for about half a minute till all the ingredients get mixed in really well. And then I'm going to start pouring some oil. So I'm using about a cup of oil. So just keep pouring it gently in intervals and keep whisking this till it becomes nice and thick. So I had to use a total of 1 cup of oil to get the right consistency. And after beating this for a whole 8 minutes, since I timed it on my phone, it took me exactly 8 minutes to get the perfect consistency using a whisk. But if you use a food processor, it gets ready even quicker. And here, look, you've got some lovely homemade mayonnaise, which is so delicious, without any preservatives, and it's really yummy. So now I transfer it to a clean glass bottle, and I'm going to refrigerate it and use it to make many recipes with. I'll leave links to recipes in which I've used this homemade mayo, as well as links to other delicious recipes as well. So thank you so much for watching, and watch the video for the little bit of tips here and there that I am sharing with you guys. I'll see you soon. A real simple way of making mayo at home, and the mayonnaise turns out to be so thick and so delicious that you don't need to buy store-bought mayo ever again. So now a few tips that you need to keep in mind. So you can use I've used olive oil, but you can use any cooking oil which doesn't have a very strong flavor. Now I like the flavor of olive oil, but olive oil does have a little bit of a strong flavor. So if you want to take that out of it, then you can just use your regular cooking oil which doesn't have any strong flavor. The second thing is that now I have used a hand blender, but it took a long time. But if you can put this into your food processor, and it happens, it takes lesser time and it becomes even more thicker. So you can do that also. You can put it in directly into your mixer pot or your food processor and just whip it up. It becomes very thick very quickly. Now one more thing you can do is I've just used 2 yolks, but if you want a little more thicker consistency, then you can add 1 more yolk to this recipe. Now as far as the vinegar comes into the picture, you can use any vinegar. You can even use apple cider vinegar, you can use regular white vinegar, and even the mustard. Now I have gone for English mustard. You can use Dijon mustard or whatever mustard you have at hand, and you can adjust the salt also as per your requirement. So do try out this recipe, guys. It's amazing, and you can always have a nice big jar of this mayo in your refrigerator. And what I like to do is, when I'm really hungry or someone at home is hungry, I just pick some brown bread slices, put this mayo, put some lovely slices of tomato in the middle, and your sandwich is ready. So it's like at hand, just to prepare a anytime snack. So if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's Recipes. Once you hit the subscribe button, click the little notification bell and click all. That way whenever I put up any video, you can go and you will get the message for it and you won't miss out any of the recipes. So go and check out my channel. I have more than 800 recipes and I've created playlists. So if you go to my homepage, you'll see playlists. Click on that, you'll see all the different types of recipes grouped up together, like breakfast recipes, ticket recipes, vegetarian recipes, traditional recipes. So go and explore that. And thank you so much for watching today's recipe. And I'll catch you soon. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.